Hey guys, welcome back. It's Chef Reyes. Today I am making a Hmong traditional chili sauce that you can use on chicken, ribeye, steak, pretty much any poultry you want, even on fish. So, without to do so, let's get into it. As you can see here, I already put some garlic cloves in there, a little bit of lemon, and I'm about to put my chili flakes. Chili flakes, put like a good spoonful and a half, depending on how hot do you want your chili to taste. So, I like mine pretty spicy, obviously. And put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. There you go. And then I'm gonna follow it up with some red onion. Then we're gonna follow it up with some white onion. And I'm gonna use half of this because I didn't want to use all of the onion. And like I said, depending on how hot you like your chili, that's how much chili flakes you will have to put into it. And then, to add a little bit of lemon. Sprinkle that in there. Look at that. Beautiful. That's 2 lemons, and depending on how you like your lemon, you could use pretty much whatever you want. With that being said, a little bit of kosher salt. Depending on how much salt you like, or salt that you can have, add it in there with it. There we go. And let's go to town on it. A little bit of vinegar. This is red wine vinegar. Grab a spoon here. Oh wow. Woo! That really, I gotta tell you right now, guys, the heat flavor coming from this when it touched my tongue is through the roof. Wow. Amazing, amazing taste, amazing flavor. The flavor, it just sets off your taste buds. So try the Hmong chili. I highly recommend it. It's not too hard to make. Garlic cloves, 2 lemons, a little bit of kosher salt, you can use lime or lemon, whichever you prefer. And my added favorite is a little bit of red wine vinegar. So, wow. Wow, just amazing. Very amazing. Wow. So without further ado, tune in next time, and tacos. Please like and subscribe my channel, and see you next time. And I'll see you guys in the comments. Let me know what you think of this. Love you.